I just got a text right now. 4 or 5 feral hogs just got to the spot.
Yeah. We got one coming down the stair. He's coming right to us. I'm gonna wait till he stops.
It is currently midnight right now. We have a whole bunch of cameras out in the pasture that take photos. And I just got a text right now. We got some pigs down at one of our feeders towards the back of the ranch. So here's the feeder right here. And it looks like we got 4 or 5 feral hogs. So we're using a 308 Tika. We got a thermal on it, and we are ready to go. We just got to the spot. We are about probably a good 200 yards from the actual blind. Park the Jeep back there, and we're gonna walk it the rest of the way. Just got to the blind. We don't know if there's still anything at the feeders. We're about to check here in a second. Are they still there?
Yeah. Hey, we still got like 3 or 4 pigs.
All right.
We got one coming down the stair. The scope's pretty close on him, but he's coming right to us. I'm gonna wait till he stops. Try to get him to stop. He's down. All at the feeder, but then that one started to come right down the Sendero. And I mean, he ran a good 50 yards, like in a split second. And my scope was actually so zoomed up on him, as you saw probably in the video through the scope. We were able to get him to stop. He turned around and was about to haul. We got him able to stop one more time. And bam, I put it right between his eyes.
Just got out of the blind. About to go check out this hog. There she is, guys. Alright guys, well I think that is a wrap. It is literally like 1 o'clock in the morning now. We're going to head back, clean this hog up, and I got to get back to bed. I got to wake up at like 5 o'clock in the morning, do some hunting. Also, real fast, if you haven't checked out my new brand, Redupont brand, take a look, link in bio on Instagram, or if you're watching this on YouTube, I'll put a link in the description below. So D-Tex Whitetail is the name of this ranch. Whole new website, whole new online store, new merch. So that's cooking as well. We also have an Instagram at D-Tex Whitetail if you want to check that out. And yeah, that's about it. Appreciate y'all watching this video till the end. And with that, I'll see y'all in that next video. Peace.